News that matters to you around the Bay, around the world, around the clock. All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
It is Friday, August 8th, 2025. Coming up on KCBS, we'll check in with the CEO of a national nonprofit dedicated to building affordable housing in the East Bay. Good morning, I'm Matt Bigler in for Holly Kwan. Continue our News Watch on a Friday. Housing insecurity remains an ongoing issue in the Bay Area and across the country. Some nonprofits are doing what they can to provide affordable housing and help with community revitalization. For more on this, we are joined live on the KCBS Ring Central Newsline by Michael Pugh. He is CEO of the national nonprofit Local Initiatives Support Corporation. Michael, thank you so much for your time. I understand that you are in the Bay Area for some special meetings. What can you tell us about that?
The visit has presented an incredible opportunity for me to connect with our LISC Bay Area team, but also to connect with our community partners. You may or may not know this, but we have been in the Bay Area for many years now. Our years in operation have been at least 44 years, and we've been able to leverage capital of more than $7.7 billion during our time here. So this is a very important community for us. And for myself, it presented, again, just an incredible opportunity to make sure that the work we're doing remains relevant and addressing the needs, particularly with housing being such a major focus at a national scale.
I'm sorry, did you say million or billion? I think you said billion, right, with a B?
You got it right, with a B.
That's
right.
That's a lot of money. So what are some of the projects you've been working on in Oakland?
Yeah, so one project in particular that I think really stands out for us is the Bay's Future project allowed us to have approximately $500 million in total funding. And that funding has helped us to focus on protecting homes of up to 175,000 households. You know, when you consider the issues that exist here, the cost of living in San Francisco is about 11% higher than the state's average, and it's 67% higher than the national average. The affordable and quality housing issue is one that we just simply can't take our eyes off of. And so through partnerships with organizations that include J.P. Morgan Chase and Chan Zuckerberg Foundation and a number of other critical organizations, we've been able to focus on affordable housing, small business development, capacity building, a number of key things that's been part of that $500 million investment.
What would you say are the biggest obstacles to increasing affordable housing in the Bay Area?
Well, you know, it's an important question, and I think one of those obstacles is the importance of continuing to work with public and private sector, and so for local government to be aligned in the strategy. I think that there's ongoing opportunity for community development organizations, particularly nonprofit housers, to work very closely together. Access to capital remains a critical component of consideration. And all of these things can be solved. We have real-life evidence, an example of when public and private partners work together, nonprofit organizations work together. We can be an accelerator in terms of helping to create housing. You know, we have one real example of a housing accelerator fellowship program that we've worked on, and it's a cohort of 20 fellows. This program, though it is in the Puget Sound area and primarily with Amazon, it is an example of something that could be scaled at a national level, certainly could be duplicated within the Bay Area. And it's nonprofit organizations working very closely together to address the creation of housing, the technical skills and capacity building, and then, of course, the access to capital.
All right. Well, thank you for the update on affordable housing and the work that you're doing. That is Michael Pugh, CEO of the national nonprofit Local Initiatives Support Corporation, or LISC. Did I get the acronym right?
You got it.
All right. Thank you, Michael. We appreciate it. Have a good day.
Thank you. Take care.
KCBS News Time, 11:37. We'll